Kami sir is palagi kami naririnig when we talk about blockchain, makakonect talaga siya sa cryptocurrency and bitcoins.
Mhm.
Is it one lang sir, or it is like has a standard hierarchical something?
Or they different?
Or the different ba?
Okay, so yung blockchain kasi, yung configuration niya, it's really more on like the infrastructure. So kumbaga, what's the infrastructure of internet? Of course, network. So network runs the internet basically. So dito naman, yung blockchain basically is the infrastructure, and on top of that, you can create different narratives or even applications. So one of the narrative and applications is cryptocurrency. Why it fits? Because basically the first blockchains being created, what we call Bitcoin, it's not really about just Bitcoin and the value of Bitcoin. The tech itself is what we call peer-to-peer transactions. So imagine that sending an asset directly to the recipient without intermediaries or middleman.